Get down!
This thing never steals food, never shows itself, and never misses. No one has ever killed a Night Fury. That's why I'm gonna be the first.
Where are you going?
Oh, I hit it? Yes, I hit it! Did anybody see that? Except for you. Sorry, Dad. Okay, but I hit a Night Fury.
Stop! Just stop. Every time you step outside, disaster falls. Can you not see that I have bigger problems? Winter is almost here, and I have an entire village to feed.
I really did hit one.
Sure, Hiccup.
He never listens.
Well, it runs in the family.
And when he does, it's always with this disappointed scowl, like someone skimped on the meat in his sandwich.
Excuse me, barmaid. I'm afraid you brought me the wrong offspring. I ordered an extra large boy with beefy arms, extra guts and glory on the side. This is a talking fish bone.
No, you're thinking about this all wrong. It's not so much what you look like, it's what's inside that he can't stand.
Thank you for summing that up.
Look, the point is, stop trying so hard to be something you're not.
I stay